For over 17 years, we have been dedicated to supporting older adults and the caregivers who care for them. We know how challenging and emotionally demanding this role can be, whether you're a professional caregiver or taking care of a loved one at home. That's why we created careacademy.life, a special place designed just for you. It's not just a training platform, it's a community, it's support. It's a space where you'll find professional caregiver courses and certifications, practical resources and downloadable guides, workshops with doctors, psychologists, and longevity experts, and most of all, confidence, clarity, and peace of mind. If you are a caregiver, professionally or personally, this is your home. And if you're just getting started, we are here to guide your first steps. Visit careacademy.life today. Join our mission. Let's improve the quality of life for you and for those you care for. See you there.